We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Hello? Hello? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Hey guys, hope you liked that little introduction of with my little snowman friend. I've gotten quite a few comments, and by quite a few I mean like 4, that really made them laugh, and that's great news. So did you know what I'm showing you right now is actually has like a name? It's called OOTD, Outfit of the Day. That's a thing on YouTube, an OOTD. So outfit of the day, boots, pants, shirts, and a snowman scarf that I got at Dollar Tree many years ago. And I couldn't figure out any other way to do this but to show you in the mirror, so you get all my dirty mirror spots. But I actually did something kind of like what you do with hair. I don't know, but I like made 3 separate knots in this and then tied it with a hair bow, like a plastic, I don't know, but that's what I did to keep it kind of pretty. And it's pretty flimsy and cheap. I don't care. Kids don't care. But anyway, there's your OOTD. I'm making something for the first time today, and Mark doesn't really enjoy when I make recipes for the first time that he's never eaten as like our main meal for the night, because what if he doesn't like it? And I understand that, but he thought the ingredients for this sounded kind of okay. I'm getting ready to lift the lid on the crock pot. It's been in the crock pot all day. I'll link the recipe below. So like I was saying, this is a recipe that I'm trying. Mark gave me permission to try, which I understand why he wouldn't want me to, but he thought it sounded nice. It's on our was on our local news in October. Anyway, so I'm going to lift the lid for the very first time. I know I'm going to have to stir it and shred the chicken, but maybe you'd like to enjoy the first reveal with me out of the crock pot. Let me see if I can get it to quit steaming. There we go. So there it is. You're supposed to put that block of cream cheese on the top while it bakes. Or bakes, or whatever it does in a crock pot. So there's chicken in here. I'm going to put my fork in here and start shredding it around. Some of the ingredients is a can of corn drained, a can of black beans drained, a can of Rotel tomatoes, or tomatoes and green chili, but we usually use Rotel, or call it Rotel. A package of Hidden Valley Ranch dressing powder mix. Block of cream cheese, which you saw on top there. Some cumin and some chili powder and some onion powder, but I didn't add the onion powder. My family's not fans of onions. I am, however, but my family's not. Oh golly, it's just steaming up so bad. Sorry about all that steam. So I forgot to turn on the microphone during this part, but I was just showing you what it looked like with it all stirred up and combined. You also add a cup of cheddar cheese when it's over, and then when it's done, and then you stir it up and let it melt. But this is what it looks like. I think it looks sort of thick like a dip, but yet thin like chili. Mark's report after he ate it was that it was good. He actually had 2 bowls, which that's a good sign, but he didn't really care for like the creamy aspect that the cream cheese had. He would rather have been like more brothy or clear liquidy than creamy. I thought it was delicious when I tasted it. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And I hope you've enjoyed watching me make this recipe. I don't know. I'm still stirring it. Why do I stir? Stir, stir, stir. And then I am stirring again because I am making something else tonight. Toffee oyster crackers, salted toffee oyster crackers for book club tomorrow. We're having book club at my house. I'm very excited, but you have to let this boil.
about 3 to 4 minutes, and it looks like I've got 222 left to go. Then you simply pour it over your oyster crackers and you bake it, stirring it every 5 minutes. I double the recipe to make it worth my time. There's my oyster crackers in the bowl.
And then once they're done baking, I pour them out on a tea towel with wax paper and let them sit and get all crunchy. And then I, put them in a container after they've set. Kind of like caramel corn, you let them sit and dry, and they're delicious. I'll link the recipe below. That's it for tonight. Seems like I've been in the kitchen a lot. I have been. Haven't really even sat down since I got home from school, but that's okay. So have a good evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.